Parenting is a challenging responsibility that comes with the immense power to shape a child's perspective and self-esteem. Words are powerful tools, and what parents say to their children can have a lasting impact on their emotional, mental, and social well-being. Unfortunately, not all parental communication is positive or constructive. This article explores 10 toxic things parents sometimes say to their children, which can hinder their development and self-confidence. This phrase can severely damage a child's self-esteem and self-worth. Every child needs to feel valued and loved by their parents. Constantly demeaning them or using derogatory language can instill a belief that they are inherently worthless, affecting their mental health and future relationships. Children look up to their parents for guidance and support. Telling a child they'll never succeed or achieve anything in life is a crushing blow to their aspirations and confidence. Encouragement and belief in a child's abilities are essential for their growth and development. Comparing a child to their siblings or peers can create a sense of inadequacy and rivalry. Every child is unique and has their own strengths and weaknesses. Comparison can breed resentment, jealousy, and an unhealthy competition between siblings, impacting their relationship and self-image. Labeling a child as a disappointment can lead to feelings of shame and inadequacy. Parents should provide constructive feedback and guidance rather than resorting to hurtful words. Encouragement and positive reinforcement can help a child learn from their mistakes and grow. Comments about a child's appearance can cause body image issues and contribute to the development of eating disorders or low self-esteem. Parents should emphasize health and well-being over appearance and teach children to love and accept themselves regardless of their physical attributes. Expressing regret over having a child can scar them emotionally and undermine their sense of belonging and love within the family. Parents should address their frustrations and concerns constructively and seek professional help if needed, rather than directing their negative emotions towards their children. Telling a child they are a failure due to academic, athletic, or personal setbacks can instill fear of failure and deter them from trying new things. Children need encouragement to overcome challenges and build resilience, not harsh criticism that damages their self-esteem. Insults like calling a child stupid can have a lasting impact on their self-confidence and intellectual development. Parents should focus on nurturing their child's curiosity and intelligence by providing a supportive learning environment. Expressing a lack of love for a child can be emotionally devastating and can hinder their ability to form healthy relationships in the future. Children need to feel secure in their parents' love and support to develop into emotionally stable adults. Blaming a child for family issues or conflicts can lead to guilt, anxiety, and emotional trauma. Children should not be burdened with the responsibility of adult problems, and parents should foster an environment of love, understanding, and open communication. Parents play a critical role in shaping their children's future through their words and actions. It's vital for parents to be aware of the impact their words can have on their children and strive to communicate in a positive, constructive, and loving manner. Encouragement, support, and understanding are essential for fostering a healthy and nurturing relationship with children, ensuring their emotional and psychological well-being as they grow into adulthood.